What if I told you there's a travel backpack with over 20 pockets and waterproof protection, all for around $100 or less? Hey everyone, Kyle here from Via Travelers. Today I'm going to show you the Nayo Smart Backpack, a bag that's been creating quite a unique buzz in the budget travel community. Here's how it arrives. I'm going to remove it from this protection and packaging. That's all it comes in. Overall, love the design and minimalist nature of the exterior. This clip alone already looks pretty heavy duty. We flip it over, you'll see some of the product specs here, features of the backpack. And so I won't show you all of that because we will be going through them directly here in this review. No frills type review, just looking at the product exactly, testing out real and live in real time. So you'll see my initial reaction, my thoughts as a full-time traveler focused on travel products and different destinations around the world, particularly Europe and North America. So Nayo Sport is based out of Singapore and known for their functional everyday type use backpacks that are functional, forward-thinking, and minimalist in terms of design, highly functional. So what we have here is the Herman Pro half roll on the top. So the feel itself feels more premium than I would expect at this price point, to be honest. Yeah, it has a nice slick feel. It's soft, soft material. And let's take a look at the different compartments in the roll top. The interior did have a filler in it, so I've removed that. So now you can see it is quite thin after removing that. So it's lightweight, very, very lightweight, which is great. And you see all the different zippers. There is a bit of a lining here on the zipper, which is great for quality purposes. Do not want that to break off. And also additional lanyard that can be detached with the logo or the name embroidered into it. Here is an additional storage compartment with liners for you to explore further within here and store the small items that you need. In addition, these are ergonomic padding. You have a 4 block of them here with zippers for easy to access credit cards, ID, things of that nature. And then this is a Velcro for placing this on your luggage. Overall feels very sturdy, and then on the top handle you have a leather strap attached to it. Overall, I really like this bag. I do like the flap option, and then you have magnetic to hold this shut even more. The exterior is very interesting, so it's 82% nylon and then 18% spandex, so you have some flex a bit with the spandex. Never really felt this type of soft material and expandability in a backpack before, so this is very unique. Now let's talk about the roll and the functionality of this beyond just rolling. You have the zipper completely on the side here, so now it opens and expands like this as a full exposable sort of open bag hybrid, if you will. And then in here, you can see that you have liners and additional storage as well on top, and a holder for your laptop, and plenty of space within the interior.